learners. Welcome to this session. We are going to have our unit called Execute Substructure 1. And today we are going to talk about construct solid ground floor. Construct solid ground floor. Being the last topic for the unit, I welcome you to pay attention so that at the end of the session, the learning outcome will be well captured. So in this topic, we'll have the following learning outcome. Number one, we'll be discussing about laying and compacting floor base. Learning outcome. So by the end of the session, the learners, you will be able to lay and compact floor base. Lay and compact floor base. Number two, we'll be able to lay and compact anchor. Lay and compact anchor. Number three, we'll be able to lay and compact blinding layer. Lay and compact blinding layer. And the last one, will be able to spray anti-termite treatment. Spray anti-termite treatment. So before we learn how to do the following, we'll have a sketch of our ground floor. We'll have a sketch of our ground floor. So the sketch of our ground floor, we must have the foundation. We must have the foundation. So our foundation looks like this. So this is the foundation there. This is the foundation wall. And this is the other core. And this is the blinding layer. Then the last one, of which we are discussing today, is the solid floor slab. So learners, I want to give you 1 minute to draw the sketch of our solid ground floor, so that when we start discussing about the layers, you already have a sketch of the ground floor. Welcome back, learners. So in your sketch, I hope you have labeled this one to be foundation bed, foundation blinding. This is the foundation wall. This is the article. This is the blinding. While this one is the floor slab. So, the first thing we're going to learn about is the compaction of floor base. Compaction of floor base. When you have casted the foundation bed, you have built the foundation wall. The next step is to lay the undercore. So before you lay the undercore, the ground must be firm. So what you do to make the ground firm, you level the ground, then you compact the ground. Is when you start laying what? Laying the undercore. The equipment used to compact the ground, we have the tamping rammer. We have the tamping rammer, and we have the plate compactor. You can use the two equipment to compact the ground. The best before you lay the undercore. Why do we compact the ground? We compact the ground because it reduces the rise of ground moisture. It improves the support to the floor, and finally, it level the ground for placing the undercore. Undercore, when you talk about undercore, these are stone or concrete. Maximum thickness to be 300, between 100 to 300 millimeters. So you unpack them. After that, you compact. The next thing, after unpacking the undercore, you use the same equipment to compact. After which you add a layer of marram as a blinding, level and compact. From there, you cast the solid floor using concrete class 1, concrete ratio class 1 to 3 into 6, that is a lean concrete, being we are not using the reinforcement bars. Before you cast the slab, you must spray the anti-termite to prevent the structures you are building to be attacked by termite. Assignment for next class. Next time when we meet, you will give the reason assignment. Next time when we meet, you will explain the reasons why you use spacer blocks when we are using reinforcement bars while casting the slab. That is number one. Number two, we'll explain why we use formwork to the edges of the slab. To the edges of the floor slab. Thank you very much, and let's meet next time.